Hello, hello. My name is Misty with crazyaboutteaching.blogspot.com. I'm all over on all the social media sites. If you want Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. What I wanted to talk to a little bit today is about an awesome math website that I have used for many years. And I want to kind of say one thing before. I want to welcome y'all. I know it's been a little while since I've been on YouTube. Probably when the Periscope days were around. I don't know if you can remember those, but we did a lot of social media. It was like the up and coming thing. It was so much fun. We met, and I did for sure, met a lot of teacher friends out of it. So I'm very thankful for that. But I am on spring break right now, so I decided to just spend a few minutes on telling you about this site. So right now, this is I Know It. Now you will get a 30-day trial, no credit card necessary if you wanted to try this out, okay? And I have also on my blog, and I'll put that in the comments of this video, where you can get some more details about I Know It. So what this is K through 5 math activities and lessons. Now, what's very cool about this is you can use, they could be aligned with Common Core, Texas standards, or Florida standards. And in Louisiana, which is where I teach, we do teach and use the Common Core standards. So, what's really, really neat is that I absolutely love, and especially whenever principal or anyone's coming in, they're going to say, "What are you doing?" Well, there's no problem because everything's aligned. And also, it is aligned to a lot of math curriculums as well. I like the progress, okay, because it's going to show you what these students are learning, how much time they spend on it, what they are struggling with, what they are excelling in. And if you look on the very, very left-hand side, you will see all of the tabs that are available just in the progress section. You get the student progress, the assignments, and the printable progress reports that are very, very important, as we all know, because I'm currently in the classroom as well. Now, what I really, really like is the assignments, okay? What I love, there's definitely 2 ways to do assignments, and what I like about it is you can just do it with a click. See where it has the green check mark? You just click it, bam, it's assigned. What I like about it is you can also preview the lessons before you assign it, which is very important. And right here, this is where you assign it, and it is just like that. It is that easy. And then also, you assign your students. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to go to the student side of this. So I'm going to log out, and I'm going to get in one of my students. And so right here, they all have a class code, which printable login cards, paper sheets will be available to you to print up. And I'm going to log in real quick, if you bear with me. Okay, here we go. So since it's spring break, there will be no assignments, but I wanted to kind of show you the lessons that these students will be working on, okay? So let's just say that I assigned them addition and subtraction. All they what I really, really, really like is there's always a creature at the bottom, very interactive. If they're having problems, look at this. I mean, it's just phenomenal about all of the easy steps that they can make. The step-by-step if they're having problems. Let me go ahead, and I'm just going to type in something, okay? And watch this. And our little creature makes a noise, but what is very, very cool is it tells you the answer, the correct answer, but it gives you the step-by-step. And you're not pinpointing anybody, they're not getting embarrassed because they're just working on their technology device, okay? And I'm looking at this, when of course we know it's adding, but say that I'm just gonna put another answer. Again, it shows you the correct answer. It also tells you the steps to get to the correct answer. So I have to tell you, this is just a little bit. There's so much of this site, and I'm telling you, just try it out. It will definitely be worth your time, especially if I like that they have the availability where you can try it out. I know that the representatives from this site are very, very helpful, and I know that if you have any concerns, any questions, or just any feedback that you want to give, if you see a change needs to be made, I'm telling you, they are pretty awesome. There's a question and answer, and there's also the pricing available after your trial. So, like I said, I just wanted to promote this awesome math website. I am a teacher just like you are, so I just know that there are a lot of different sites that if we go to technology conference, there's lots and lots of things we write down. We never get to it. So I just want you, if you could just try it out and say, you know what, this is definitely what I need. It's very helpful. It's straightforward. And I love, if you like that, you can put the report. So if administration comes in, you have these reports and showing them that they are actually learning the standards of their grade level. All right. So thank you so much. If you have any questions, just please come find me on any type of social media. Crazy About Teaching, and it's crazy with a K. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.